Our Call 6 investigators right now are tracking an influx of fake $100 bills hitting businesses in Broad Ripple and other parts of Indianapolis.
Secret Service agents say they're investigating, but checkout clerks are having a tough time spotting these counterfeit bills. Call 6 investigator Stephen Dean has the story.
From Broad Ripple businesses alone, police are being told that this bank took in 15 phony $100 bills from weekend deposits, and the losses are stacking up elsewhere across Indianapolis as well. And business managers tell me that the thieves are using real dollar bills. That way they feel authentic and they have some security features on them. That makes it even tougher to crack this case. At a Meijer store in Cumberland, police have surveillance video of two women working together to pass 10 phony $100 bills just minutes apart. A Kroger on East 10th had 3 fake hundreds passed on the same day last week. At Liquor Barn on Washington Street, here's the latest of 7 phony bills. The manager telling me people are making small purchases like buying cigarettes or a single beer, then getting $80 to $90 change back in real money. She has stopped taking $100 bills, and so have the Jimmy Johns in Broad Ripple, where a man with a long black ponytail and a tattoo on his arm that says Perseverance, well, he's been passing fake hundreds. He got a bunch of change handed back to him at both of those Jimmy Johns as well. Police have surveillance video of that guy and the women at the Meijer store, but they have not released it yet. One big problem, some of the businesses actually use markers to spot phony bills, but because the phony 100s are printed on actual $1 and $5 bills, it is even tougher to spot them at the checkout counter. Reporting from Broad Ripple, Stephen Dean, RTV6.
More and more high tech. At least 30 of those fake $100 bills were turned into police over a 3-day period last week, all throughout Indianapolis. Today, the U.S. Treasury started circulating a brand new 100 with additional security features embedded in the currency.